0. The number 0, nothing of something. There were 0 people in the park. 1. The number 1, the number of sun in the sky. He has one pet dog named Max. 2. The number 2, the number of wheels on a bicycle. I need to make 2 copies of this document. 3. The number 3, the number of sides in a triangle. I counted to 3 before jumping into the pool. 4. The number 4, the number of seasons in a year. The recipe serves 4 people. 5. The number 5, the number of fingers we have on one hand. The book costs £5 in the bookstore. 6. The number 6, the number of strings on some guitars. The clock on the wall turned 6 o'clock, signaling the end of the workday. 7. The number 7, the number of days in a week. The week is divided into 7 days. 8. The number 8, the number of legs on a spider. The battery in this device typically lasts for about 8 hours on a full charge. 9. The number 9, the number of months in a normal pregnancy. The baseball team has 9 players on the field at a time. 10. The number 10, the number of fingers we have on both hands. There are 10 fingers on 2 hands. 11. The number 11, the number of players on a soccer team. My little son knows that 11 is 1 more than 10. 12. The number 12, the number of months in a year. The clock on the wall says 12:15. 13. The number 13, the number of weeks in a season. She has 13 children. 14. The number 14, the number of days in 2 weeks. There are 14 chapters in the novel I'm reading. 15. The number 15, the number of fingers in 3 hands. There are 15 students in our class. 16. The number 16, the number of pieces each side has in a game of chess. She has 16 unread messages in her inbox. 17. The number 17, the number of days in 2 weeks and 3 days. She bought 17 books from the bookstore. 18. The number 18, the number of squares in 3 cubes. He has been working at his job for 18 years. 19. The number 19, the number of months in a year and 7 months. The temperature outside is 19 degrees Celsius. 20. The number 20, the number of fingers and toes that we have. The distance between the 2 cities is 20 kilometers. 30. The number 30, the number of days in April, June, September, and November. My fitness instructor recommends 30 minutes of exercise every day. 40. The number 40, the number of fingers that 4 people have. My dad works 40 hours a week. 50. The number 50, the number of fingers on 5 monkeys. I can count up to 50 in English. 60. The number 60, the number of fingers and toes that 3 people have. The speed limit on this road is 60 kilometers per hour. 70. The number 70, the number of legs on 7 crabs. I scored 70 out of 100 on my math test. 80. The number 80, the number we get when we multiply 8 by 10. The store is offering a discount of 80% off. 90. The number 90, the number of degrees for a right angle. I have $90. 100. The number 100, the number of years in a century. $100 can't buy a top-notch laptop.